Thumbnail done. Amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my closet. Amazing. You guys know I've been wanting to film a closet clear out video for friggin' ever, and you would honestly think that I would have done this during lockdown. So it is a bit of a mess and let's just go through it. I don't know if I'll try stuff on. Up here I have my calendar, which is set for January because it's the last time that I had a schedule. And then up here I have cute little hooks. And I just had my jammies on here because they like broke. But I'll take this stuff down so you guys don't get distracted. So the very back here, I have this cute little chainmail ensemble that my husband made for me. I just like to have it out because it's pretty and one day I'm gonna need that. Maybe I'll wear it to the Christmas party, guys. What do you think? Leave a comment below if you think I should wear this to the work Christmas party. Next thing is this little Target jacket, guys. So this is my little Target jacket. I don't even think it zips. It's got like 2 zippers. So I'll definitely keep this out because I do get wear out of it. I have this amazing Lily Loves jacket, which again from Target, and this is in the size 12, but it's like a boyfriend fit, so it's super baggy. Giving you fashion 90s runway for your nerve. Or is it 2000s? The next jacket I have is a size 26. I think I got it for maybe $3 from Kmart. So I might hang this up in my office because it's not something I get a lot of wear out of anymore. I'm just gonna like dump everything and then like reorganize. But this is a size 12 and it's from Target. You guys probably seen this before, like at your local Target, if you fucking love Target like I do. The shimmer. I think it is so fucking cute. Perfect for Christmas, which is right around the corner, guys. Nice and inside out. Love that. You guys might remember this. I used to wear this all of the time. It's a little Killstar cheerleading dress. It was part of the Marilyn Manson collection. I think it's got makeup on it. I think I'll wash this. Yeah, I'll give that a good hand wash. So fucking cute. Should I try it on? But she needs a wash and an iron, bitch. How good does she look once she's all cleaned up? And guys, if you didn't love Marilyn Manson when you were like 14, like, were you ever really 14? Come on. So here we go, guys. This is my wedding dress. Can you fucking see how pretty that is? If they had done this in the long sleeve, come on. This is from Black Milk, and this is a size large. And it's really nice and long. That's what I loved about it. It came like an inch above my knee. But look at the color of that, guys. It is see-through as well. I was a daring bride, okay? Oh my gosh. If this is how it's going to be the whole video, I'm fucked. So this Marilyn Manson dress I showed you before is actually the skater dress. This is the cheerleading dress from Killstar. Again, in a large. So pretty. It goes off the shoulder. There you go. Fucking stunning. Stunning as fuck. Give me some pom-poms. Another Killstar dress. Oh my gosh. You might remember I got this from Dolls Kill. I got it in the large. But when I got it, I was like, I don't know where I'm going to wear this. This is a really nice one. Again, inside out. But it does protect the dress from dust. This is just like a closet tour of all the clothes I have. I'm not chucking any shit out. It's too hard. Prepare your bodies. This is getting me out of breath. This is the short version. So this is the skater dress version. It's got a nice knot at the front. I said I wouldn't chuck anything out, but I will be chucking this piece of shit out. It just doesn't sit right on the boobs. Like, it's really, really poorly constructed. Oh no. Maybe I won't chuck it out. Now that I've got it on, I'm like, yeah, that is sexy shit, guys. What do you think? Let me know if you think I should fucking set this one on fire. Next up is this cute little Clueless dress. The fit is okay, but I find that with these type dresses that go straight across the bust, there's not enough fabric on the bust. Like, they're making them for 8-year-olds or something. I might still go put that in my office closet because it's not something I wear all the time. It's like a special one, you know? And look, this one's got like 14 fucking thousand ones on it. I have this stripy dress. Again, if you want to look flat-chested, wear this. But I'm going to keep that in the in room because I have been losing weight. So maybe I'll lose a little bit around here and then it will fit better. I don't know. So this gorgeous little dress here. Again, this is from City Beach from the brand Mulula. Now this is a really good brand. I got this on sale for $15. It is in a size 12, but it does fit because it's a gorgeous stretchy velvet. It has boob pads in there, so if you had a smaller bust you could go without a bra. And it's lined with this really nice jersey. Fucking sexy shit. But it's super cute. It's got the bow at the front. Now if you've got a bigger bust, having a little bow or a little knot there honestly makes your boobs just like spill and be so like voluptuous. Even if you didn't have much boobs, I definitely recommend that. We'll just keep it here for now. This is another fucking annoying dress with a tiny bust. I'm gonna hang on to it, but I'm gonna put it in the in room. Here's another one from Black Milk. I think it was a limited edition one. It's a long dress, again, a really nice length, so you can wear it out to dinner. This is so hard. This video is gonna take me forever. I can't get rid of anything. So here's another gorgeous Killstar dress, absolutely one of my favorites. If you know me in person, then you've probably seen this a lot more than you fucking probably cared to in your life. I might put that in the in room though. Oh, it's my favorite. Fuck. Now this one is definitely going in my other closet, but I refuse to get rid of it. This I might chuck out. Although good for a funeral. This is a Princess Highway dress in a size 12. Like, it's really well made, but it's not very interesting. Like, it's fucking the most boring dress I've ever seen. Now this one, I kind of want to get rid of. Why did I buy this? It makes me look a bit frumpy probably. Now this is a sourpuss dress in a size large. And it looks okay. Now I really wanted to get rid of this. I was like, I might need this one day. This is a mum top. I got this for my birthday last year, guys. I included it in my haul. You know that shit that you wear because you've got to take your child to swimming lessons? This is it. So this might have to transition into my drawers. This is my favorite top of all time. It is in a size 16, but it was $1 from Kmart. I might keep it in the end room though. No, I'll keep it here. Seriously, it's a favorite. Now this one I will get rid of. It's this little folk top. Don't call me out just because it's ugly, bitch. We all make mistakes. This is a little Danny Minogue t-shirt. So I'm going to put that one in my office as well. So this here, I don't know what to do with. It is the perfect office shirt. I'm going to keep it. You never know. One day I might dress up as Britney Spears. This one is an absolute another favourite that has to stay in my closet. This is another mum cardie, so I will definitely keep this in my closet. This is one from Target in a large. They probably still sell these. Nice and thick and warm and really good quality. This one I'm definitely putting away. It's just a little office top from Katie's in a size 12. You saw this in my office wear haul, but I don't work in an office anymore, guys. So I'm just going to put that away in the back office, in my back office. So this is a cute dress from Factory. It's got little red flowers. It's got a little pulley string at the front to accentuate your boobs. I'm going to keep that out, put that with stockings and a nice jacket. You're away. This one I never wear, but I'll never get rid of. It's from Ellie Fashion. It's a bodysuit. I'm just going to put that in the end closet, pretend we don't have it anymore. Oh, some pants. So I'll probably take those back to work actually. They've still got the tag on them. Guys, do you love this? This is my fucking favourite. Let's put it on. Now, this is from Big W, and I got this when I stepped on Australian soil. It was like the first thing I bought. I think it cost me $8 or something, and it's this waterfall cardigan, and I used to wear it all the time. I should probably put this away. I'm fucking never going to wear it. Maybe I should wear it now. So, this is an XL from Killstar, and I got it because it was on special for $5. But look at that fit. It is absolutely tiny. It says, sorry, I can't, I have plans with my cat. Which is so fucking accurate, isn't it? This was one of my favourite dresses from Factory in a size large, but it's got a hole under the arm, which needs to be repaired, but I love wearing it. So good for summer. I'll probably put it away in the in room for now, just because it is so summery. I'm not going to get any use out of it this winter. Next up is this t-shirt, which I fucking absolutely forgot about. I think I'll wear this one instead, because I know you guys don't want to see my belly. This is another cardie. You can see like I have a certain style. This is a little Batwing cardie. You guys have probably seen it before in like my really old videos. And I got this from Kmart for like $5 on clearance. It has gotten holes in it. I have stitched them back up. This is literally 5 years old and I don't want to let go of it. It's like one of those cardies. It's just, I just feel something for it. It feels so good. I just can't let go of that. This top is definitely going in the end room. This is great for family dinners. I got it for $1 at Kmart, guys. Here's a little dress, guys, sexy. Still got the tag on. I only just bought it. It is the Cerucci dress from Motel, which is a UK brand. And this shit is fucking stunning. The straps suck balls. They're so thin. Like, I should probably put different straps on. And it's completely bodycon, guys. Completely. So I'm going to put this in the in room. Now, this is another one. It's inside out. Everything's inside out. I think we've learned that about me. that I can't remember what's in my wardrobe. It's so cluttered. This is what I wear to job interviews. Fucking stunning, but that's going in the end room. Here's another Killstar dress, guys. This one is in velvet. So it's just the skater dress style, but it is so gorgeous. It's perfect for like Christmas because it's very armor chic with the lace and then the pentagrams down the bottom. This is another office work top. I'm going to put it in the back room. I'm going to have another clear out in a couple months and absolutely fucking get rid of some of this stuff. This, guys, you're going to have a serious flashback if you've been watching me for a while. This one I got in New Zealand from Glassons. It's a little floral play suit. I can almost fit back into this, guys. This one, not so good, guys. This is going in the end room. Then this, guys. Is this giving you something? This is an op shop buy. This cost me $1. I fucking love it. I think it goes with my hair though. This one's going in the end room. This is a foxy little dress, very body conscious, off the shoulder. That's going in the end room. Perfect for summer. This one is going, finally. I've been so looking forward to getting rid of this. It's a little Kmart shirt that I paid probably nothing for. I've had it for a couple years, but it's like see-through in some places. And so it's fucking so cold when you wear that, guys. A blue cardigan from Target. Boring. So another boring top. This is quintessential mum. So frumpy and ugly. But I've got to keep that one on the back burner. This one is so sexy. This is another one from City Beach. From Rumour in a size 12. Absolutely gorgeous. This is so tight on me. My boobs literally explode. It's got the knotted front. Again. And ruffled sleeves. I love the sleeves. I also have another polka dot dress here, which I wore to the Christmas party. It's about knee length or just above the knee. Again, it's got a little knot at the front, but this is from the brand George. Should I keep them here? I'll put them in the end room. We'll regroup in springtime. This one has got to go. This is another Clueless one from Factory, but it's really tight across the bust. So she's going. This is a new top that I got on special at Target for $5, guys, from the brand SBRN in a size 14. It fits really nice and covers the arms. Really good if you're wearing little shorts or a little skirt. So that's a keeper. Here's another office top, but very easily a very good like day-to-day top as well if you're a sexy mum. This would look good, with like leatherette pants. I'm going to put that in the in room. It's more of what I wore for my office wear. Now this one is debatable whether it's going to go or not. I don't know. It doesn't suit my figure at all, but it's really good for like a hanging out at home dress. Like a home dress. This one's going to stay in my main wardrobe because this is the kind of thing that I would wear around home. So this is a little shirt from Target for men, but my husband hated the fit. So I was like, fuck you, man. So I kept it and it looks so good. It's very like painter, artistic, gives a bit of a look, a bit of a vibe. Nice for a mum. Here's a skirt I got from the Salvation Army for $2. And it's one of these long as ones from Miller's. But it was in perfect condition and I just need to lose a little bit more weight. Another boring cardigan. Oh, here's another boring cardigan. They're a bit soul crushing, but they have a purpose. Here is an amazing dress. I think I'll keep this in my main wardrobe for now. Have a look at this fucking 80s goodness. Guys, I don't have the best bra on. I don't have shapewear on. Imagine if my hair was like rolled or something very cool. It's got like a boat neck line. It's very 80s. It's a crushed, ruffled or sheared velvet. So it's velvet but sheared. And look, all you need to do is add a tiny bag. And you're good to go. I'll show you up close. Can you see like the ruffle? Now the next dress is this. I'm saving this for spring. So you can really tell like I never buy clothes anymore. This is another cardigan, which I really like, but it's actually from an op shop as well. So I paid $5 and it's in like brand new condition and I fucking love it. Let me take this gorgeous moment off. I'll be right back. Look at this cute cardi. I love it. It's not like a full length on the arms, which I think makes it look nice. This is perfect. This is quintessential mum. So, and then I have some uniforms. So that's it for my clear out. Everything else is going to go into the end room. Doesn't it look so much better, guys, now that it looks like this and it's not cluttered with all the summer shit? So essentially the stuff up here is just stuff that maybe don't fit anymore, or it's got like a lot of sentimental value, but it's something that I'll never wear, so for whatever reason. Hold on, guys, I actually have a good one I can show you. Here's the fucking quintessential example of what I'm talking about, guys. Canterbury, she's fucking branded, bitch. So this is my high school leavers jersey. So this is the hostel leaving jersey. 2008, bitch. If you grew up in country New Zealand, this shirt is gonna hit you different. But look at the back. 08 and doofy. Obviously, because that was my nickname in high school. Thank you, girls. Thank you. I just want to thank all of my Hewitt House sisters for ensuring that I could not date through high school. Thank you. That's on you, bitches. That's a taste of the type of shit that is in these containers. It's really shit. Like, I'm not gonna wear this all the time. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and sticking through this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because I'd been really looking forward to kind of clearing, you know, making a bit of space in my closet and just putting my summer shit in another closet, because I don't need that in my face all the time. So I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.